Now, eyes time. And so what I have here is my product by MAC, but it's the Aaliyah brand. Aaliyah, hometown girl from Detroit. Gotta represent her. And so, got my eyeshadow palettes. And today I'm just going to go with something really simple, which will be my gold here. And I want to apply it to my eyelids. And that corner there, bring it out the corner. Put a little bit there and it makes your corners pop. This product is very easy to apply and fast. You don't have to keep going over it by dipping it in there. Just one time on your brush, that's all you need. Then I'm going to go with the darker for my eyelid here. And just want to pat it around there. I'm not trying to have too much. So this time I started on the left eye. Don't know why, but just like I said, wherever it leads me to, wherever my hand leads me to, that's where I'm going. Just make sure that's in there really good. Okay. Let me get that corner. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't do a lot of dramatic makeup applying. So, I also have the Aaliyah bronzer that I'm going to apply to my cheekbones. It is a shimmery finish. Has little shimmers in it. I'm going to apply that up there. Now you won't be able to see this. I barely see it unless I'm like dead on my face looking in the mirror. But it's for everybody else to see, not us. So, on my cheeks I have sparkles. Shimmer.